Are you still writing amounts manually for checks, invoices, or financial documents? What if Excel could do it automatically for you with just one formula? Let me show you an amazing VBA trick that will save your time and make your spreadsheets look more professional. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to convert numbers into words automatically in Excel using a simple VBA function, and this solution works for amounts, checks, invoices, and even large numbers like millions, billions, and trillions. So first of all, let's say an example. I want to convert, for example, 1000 hundreds. Okay, in the next cell, equal sign, number to words, then write the number here, or just select the cell automatically from here. All right, or select the cell, done, enter 1400. Another one, equal sign, number to words, then enter 570. Okay, let's say this in, for example, in this invoice, I want to convert this into letters, right, or into words. For example, here, equal sign, number to words, then select the cell, then enter. Here is the results. Okay, now I will show you how to use this code. By the way, here is the code used in this tutorial. All right, so select all the code, copy, then go to developer tab, or click Alt F11 on your keyboard, go to developer, then go to Visual Basic, then create a new module, then paste the code here. All right, I have already one, so I will delete this one. All right, paste the code, then go back to the sheets. As you can see, $9,852. It changed automatically. Okay, that's it. If you found this Excel tip useful, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Excel and VBA tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. So by the way, don't forget, this code, you will find it on the description of this video. All right.